Hi, I'm Ron and welcome to my channel. Alam ko kaya ka nandito dahil gusto mong malaman kung paano maglinis ng keyboard. And don't worry, I got you. But before we go into that, intro muna tayo. Alright, katulad ng sabi ko sa inyo kanina, we're going to clean this bad boy up. It's a white keyboard from Glorious and matagal ko na siyang dinalilinis kaya medyo madumi na siya. Now, before we go into the details and how to clean this up, materials muna tayo. Of course, we need first a warm water and then dishwashing soap na bulol na tongue twister, di ba? And then we also need the cotton buds, soft brush, alcohol, and clean, dry towels. So yun. Now, yep, that's it. And then let me show you how to do it. Alright, so we're ready. And first thing that we need to do, of course, i-unplug muna natin yung ating keyboard dun sa computer. Although keyboards are safe, hindi naman siya ganun ka-sensitive, pero pag may napindot tayong kakaiba, especially if your computer is on, then dun tayo magkaka-issue. Now, once we have that unplugged dun sa USB, then we need to take out the keycaps using yung kanyang keycap puller. We can take it out by hand, but normally we don't recommend that kasi baka masira yung ating keyboard, yung mga pins, so we do it properly with this. Meron tayong makukuha ng mga keycap puller na bakal, iba-ibang klase, iba-ibang tsura, pero for this keyboard, it comes with a keycap puller na nakalagay sa ilalim ng kanyang keyboard. So, let's pull it out and see what we have. Let's do some magic. One, two, oh, diba? Ang bilis. Ayan. So, as you can see, natanggal ko na yung mga keycaps niya and I don't know if you can see it, pero talagang ang dumi. Ang sarap linisin nito. Kitang-kita mo ang itsura niya pagkatapos mong malinis. So here we go. We're going to set up yung keycaps muna. We're going to clean it and then we'll go back right into this. Alright, so we already have our warm water here. Sarap ulit panligo. Tapos, dishwashing soap. Let's put a little there. Gawin din natin siya. Para lumambot yung para pinunasan natin, let's add a little more. Para pag pinunasan natin, pag pinupunasan na natin yung ating keycaps, medyo malambot na yung mga dumi. Okay, we already have that set up. Let's put our keycaps. Ang dahil nalalagyan ko, ng keycaps. So, lalagyan lang natin ng konti yan. So, nag-break ka agad. Parang talagang ang tagal kong hindi nalinis ko. So, gawan lang natin siya dyan for about 30 minutes. And then after that, babalikan natin siya. While we're waiting, babalikan natin yung ating keyboard para linisin. Alright, so we're back sa ating keyboard and as you can see here, so masyadong siya madumi. Ginagawa ng iba, gagawin ko din. Itatak-tak nila yan para dumi, para mawala yung mga malalaki. And then after that, syempre, yung ating brush, we try to remove as many na dumi na kaya natin using the brush. So pagka natanggal nyo na yung karamihan yan, then we'll go to the nitty-gritty details. Magko-cotton buds tayo plus yung alcohol. So hindi naman natin masyadong babasahin ng alcohol yung cotton buds kasi hindi rin naman dapat masyadong nababasa or tatago sa keyboards natin yung basa. Pero we just need enough para ma-loosen up yung grime and matanggal siya. Okay, so let's start. While we're doing this, let's make some video magic again. So ito na, nilinis na natin siya, di ba? Magic, ang bilis. And so we just used alcohol and cotton buds and the brush. The grime is all out. Now let's go back dun sa ating keycaps. Let's see how it's doing, if it's ready, and let's check it out. Let's just put this one. Ako, this is how I do it. Although some people, you know, we have other ways of executing this. So, para lang alam ko kung nasan lahat. I put it on one side first and then pag natuyo na, nandun na sa kabila. Yan. And then later on, pagkatapos natin siyang towel dry, we're just going to make sure na i-air dry natin siya para walang matitirang tubig. Kasi kapag merong natirang tubig, tapos mapupunta siya sa ating keycap, sa ating keyboard. Okay, so here we have it. And let's just make sure na matowel dry natin siya. O, diba? Ang linis na. Madaling tanggalin yung dumi. So you can see, medyo meron pang mga ewan ko kung makikita nyo, no? Pero medyo basa-basa pa ng konti doon. Ayan. So let's do some camera magic. And there we go. Tapos na natin i-towel off yung mga keycaps. We're just going to air dry it, kaya siya nakabaliktad na ganyan para at least yung mga tubig dun sa mga singit-singit na ganon, like this one, na hindi nakuha sa malabo sorry, na hindi nakuha sa pag-towel off ay matuyo. So we're just going to air dry that for a few minutes, and then once that's done, we'll put it back dun sa keyboard natin. So we are done cleaning the keycaps, cleaning the keyboard, at ngayon we're going to put it back. And of course, hindi naman natin kabisado yung position niyan. So we're going to bring out yung ating Codico. Earlier we did take a picture nung position ng mga ng mga keycaps. So here it is, and we're going to start off with the spacebar kasi yun yung pinakamadali. So all you need to do, make sure na itong mga parts na to ay nakatama dito. Okay? So then press it gently. There you go. And it's back. So we'll do the same with the rest. Of course, following yung position niya. The insert button. Oh, 0 or insert. Okay, you should hear a little bit of the snap there. Ito, baliktad pala, sorry. Ito ba yan? May Codico na nga eh. Bloopers. Okay, so let's not edit that. Ayan. It's back. So, unahin natin yung mga madadali. The plus button goes here. Plus button. Pero bakit ayaw niya? Siyempre, sisilipin nyo ng konti. Di ba? Sorry naman. Ayan. And medyo marami pa ito. So, let's do some magic. Enter. We're going to put it here. Tama ba? Tignan natin ang ating Codico. Yep, it goes here. Medyo nakaduling nga lang, no? Pero you need to be patient. And Yep. Sabog na natin to. No? 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. So instant na. It's all, everything's backed into order. So all we need to do is plug it on and see if it works. So there you have it. It's working finally, and as you can see, compare mo dun sa dati, medyo mas maganda, mas malinis ito ngayon. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching.